So for the base of the table, we got these planks. These are 2x6s, and we had 1x6s. These are 1x4s over here. I don't have a pocket screw drill, and honestly, I don't know how to use one. So we decided to do was just put these pieces of wood here. We're gonna add two more, one here and one here, and these should keep all the planks together so they won't fall, and it will also add some strength to it so the piano won't fall through. So that's what my husband's doing right now.
My brother said,
We had originally bought the legs that are already made from Home Depot. They're about $12. But after making the table, we realized it was going to be too heavy with the piano on top of it. So we're just going to use these 2x4s to make some legs for them. We're going to go ahead and make 6 legs. My husband's going to cut them at 26 inches each. And then we're going to go ahead and put them on the table. So when we started putting on the legs, we realized that we really didn't need the 2 in the middle here. So we had this extra 2x4, and what we did was we went ahead and just put one in between these 2 legs here. Then we're going to go ahead and put another one on the front legs over there, and then probably put one like crisscross down the middle. I'm not sure if we're going to put some 2x4 like over there in between these 2 legs or not. I think that just by putting that other piece of wood, it might be strong enough to hold the piano, but we're going to go ahead and do that.